Shout out to my coworker Howard. He was the one that told me about restoring my headlight. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin back at it again. Video, I'm gonna be going over a product that I just picked up recently for my headlights. I did want to buy some VLAN headlights, but for the price that they're going for, they're honestly kind of expensive, and I don't want to dump that much money into this car just yet. My headlights were yellowing, and they had like that nasty yellowing, and they were like really gross. So one way to remedy that would be, this is my first time trying this product, but I trust this brand a lot. It's Meguiars. This brand is really good. I always use their car detailing soap or their car soap to wash my cars. But yeah, so this is what I picked up. I'll show you guys in a little bit, and let me tell you right off the bat, this is definitely worth the 20 bucks that I paid for. I know I tried the turtle wax before on my first IS, and that was complete garbage. It didn't work. This stuff actually works, and it's worth the money. If you guys are gonna restore your headlights, I'll show you guys what's inside and what comes inside the box when you guys pick one up. So this is a headlight restoration kit. As you guys can see before, this is what my headlights did look like. I'll try to insert some pictures for you guys or some video clips. It was really nasty and yellow just like this, and I hated it because it made my car look even older than what it was. And after applying it, it looks fresh as hell and it looks brand new, and I love my car even more now. But yeah, you guys can pick this up at your local Walmart, and I want to say Amazon. These are the steps. You just sand down the headlight, buff it. You don't have to use a drill. I didn't use one, but if you guys want, it worked just fine without using it. You just have to apply a lot of pressure instead of using a drill, and go in circular motions, up and down, side to side, all that. But I'll show you guys what's inside. So I did this really quick right before class, and I have class in a little bit, so which is why I'm in my car right now. So I went to my local Walmart, picked this up really quick, and used it. This product actually works wonders and is actually effective. So this is what comes inside the box after you guys unbox it. It's gonna be this plastics. It's for the sandpaper. It acts as a lube. So you guys are gonna get a 1000 grit sandpaper that you're gonna use, and they also give you this little brush pad to put it on top, and you will also get a 3000 grit. You guys also will get the power drill brush that they give you for free. You guys will also get a headlight sealant. It's what seals the headlights after you guys sand it down and use the product. And this pad is for the sealant, and only use this pad for the sealant. Don't mix it up.
He needs some milk,
or drop it like how I just did. But yeah, this is everything that comes in it, and this product is actually really effective. I'll show you guys video clips right now of before and after, and this stuff actually works wonders. I would highly recommend this, and it makes the headlights clear again as if they were brand new. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you guys if you guys want to try this out. And I am in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Meguiars. I've just used previous brands before, and honestly nothing beats Meguiars. This is absolutely the best brand out there for car care products. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting. It means a lot to me. More videos to come soon. And let me know what you guys think about this product. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who has yellow headlights. Again, Meguiars products has always been my #1. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace. As you guys can tell, it looks basically brand new again, guys. Shout out to my coworker Howard. He was the one that told me about restoring my headlights. So instead of spending 500, 600 bucks for VLANs, I only spent $20 to $25 restoring these headlights. And I know these headlights are really expensive because of the DRLs, and these are the OEM F Sport or 11 to 13 headlights. Let me know what you guys think. They look basically brand new again, no more yellowing. Yeah, shout out to you, Howard. Looks so good.